our sound after, and then it evolved from there. That's the Kahauanu Lake Trio. Anybody heard of the Kahauanu Lake Trio before? Raise your hand, make some noise. One of the best to ever do it, our personal favorites. Uncle K, Uncle Tommy, and Uncle Al. We'd like to do this medley of songs that they recorded on their Hapa-Haole album that they call the Hapa-Haole Hula Medley. It's a humble rendition of that same grouping of songs.
So I made up my mind that I struck a fine, the only girl I ever adore. Oh well, 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 I love pretty little Hapa-Haole Hula Girl. She's a hula girl, she can make you giggle. Hula girl with a little wiggle, and someday gonna make this Hapa-Haole girlie of mine, all the time I'm dreaming of her, my Hapa-Haole Hula Girl. Out at the beach with the dear little beach where the waves are rolling in high. Holding her hand while you sit on the sand, you'll promise you'll win her heart or die. You start to teach, you give her a squeeze. Her heart is all in the world. Even getting the pitch, go to it's a cinch when you're spooning with a hula girl. Well, 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 I love pretty little Hapa-Haole Hula Girl. Hula girl, she can make you giggle. Hula girl with a little wiggle, and someday gonna make this Hapa-Haole girlie of mine, all of the time I'm dreaming of her, the Hapa-Haole Hula Girl. I wonder where my little hula girl has gone. She's no longer on the beach at Waikiki. I've combed the beach and watched her she roll the pond, and I've looked around as far as I can see. She flew to the east and she flew to the west, but I'll get no rest until I find her back in my little grass shack. I wonder where my little hula girl has gone. She's no longer on the beach at Waikiki. When you hear sweet music, soft and low, you can swing it right, swing it left, swing it all around. Do the hula hula when a sweet brown baby turns pretty low. You can swing it right, swing it left, swing it all around. Do the hula hula when the moon shines upon the sea. You can dance to the strings of my cookie and the pony. If you don't believe me, you can go. When you swing it right, swing it left, swing it all around. Do the hula hula when the moon shines upon the sea. You can dance to the strings of my cookie and the pony. If you don't believe me, you can go. When you swing it right, swing it left, swing it all around. Do the hula Lolo. Aloha nui kako.
Hapa-Haole Hula Medley, done famously by the Haole Hula Trio. Mahalo.